Happy Wednesday, everybody. Everybody is going to be working in Schoology today, so I just wanted to make a little video to give you some instructions so that everything was nice and clear. Hopefully yesterday you were able to, get a chance to watch that Ed Puzzle video and that you kind of are familiar with the fact that there are many comma rules. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to complete a virtual gallery walk. So I know this will be more fun in the classroom, but what I've done is I've created a PowerPoint presentation for you to kind of walk through like a gallery. There are 8 comma rules that you are going to visit 8 different pieces of art, so to say. And at each station, or each piece of art, you're going to complete the graphic organizer for the comma rules. So I'm going to kind of show you where to find that, okay? So you're already in Unit 5. Again, this is part of our essay writing unit. So you go into the commas folder, which you're in if you're watching this video, right? So here in the Wednesday folder, commas gallery walk, attached to this video, okay, is your OneDrive assignment, which is to complete the graphic organizer. And also, if you look down here at the bottom, the comma rules gallery walk is also attached, okay? So first, my suggestion is go ahead and open your Word document that's attached, that OneDrive assignment, open it in Word, and this is what you should see, all right? Make sure that it is opening in your app with your name. It automatically saves this, okay? And you can see here, I've already completed the first rule for you. So once you have this up, you can go back into Schoology and open up the PowerPoint. Just download the PowerPoint. And your PowerPoint should look like this. Not like that, but like this. It says comma rules gallery walk. Okay. My suggestion is you're going to want to do this in your slideshow. Okay. So go ahead and put it into slideshow presentation because there are a few animations in here that will help you out. So my suggestion is it says complete your comma rules graphic organizer as you visit each piece of work. So comma rule number 1 is our first piece of gallery work that we're going to visit. Okay, so this is where it says this is the use a comma to separate items in a list. So if you're listing items, okay, like I'm going to buy bread, apples, and bananas, right? We're going to separate our items with commas, right? This comma right here, okay, we learned in the video yesterday that's called the Oxford comma or serial comma. And Mrs. Mel is going to suggest that you use that so that your readers are really clear as to what you're saying. Okay, so we are going to use that Oxford comma, even though it's not completely necessary for English purposes in English class. We are going to, when listing things, use the Oxford comma. Okay, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, that might be because you didn't watch the video yesterday. Okay, so we will kind of go through this over the next week. We're going to get lots of practice with this. All right, so here then you can see I have already completed this. So let me just reduce this here so I can see my other screens. Here we are. So comma rules graphic organizer. I need to buy bread, apples, and bananas. So at each gallery slide that you visit, you're going to be typing in the rule first. Okay. Here I did that for rule number 1. Use a comma to separate items in a list. Okay. It's already in blue text for you. And then you're going to type the example that's already given on that slide. I need to buy bread, apples, and bananas. Then you have to come up with an example of your own using that rule. So here I have my favorite sports are football, volleyball, and softball. Mrs. Mel's 3 favorite sports. Okay, you can yours is already completed, so you do not need to do anything for rule number 1. you're going to go ahead and visit slide 3, which is rule number 2. Going to go ahead and type in the rule, then the example that's given, and then you're going to make one of your own. Okay, so at any time if you have questions or concerns about what you're doing, please don't hesitate to message me. Okay, when you're done with this, make sure you go into Schoology and you hit that submit button. Okay, this will be worth 8 points. There are 8 comma rules here, so I'm going to be looking for completed rules, and I want to make sure that you have that submitted. Okay, after you're done with that, okay, when you're finished with that, there is one little tiny task that's going to take you very not very much time to complete. Okay, and that is, I'm just going to go in here and show you. That is the knowledge sort. Okay, so all you're doing for the knowledge sort, the comma sort here, is matching the rule to the example. So this shouldn't take you very long at all. And it's just dragging the rule to the example. So like this one, use a comma to separate a city from a state and a year from a date. And you're finding that example down here and you're matching it up. Okay, very simple sort to complete. Okay, and making sure that you submit those 2 items, okay, for your classwork today. All right, so again, if you have any questions, reach out to me. My B students, I'm super excited to see you tomorrow. I can't wait. So I will see you in class tomorrow, my B students and my A students. I will see you next week, okay? All right, have a great day. Bye.